Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're liking the content and you want to see more, please subscribe and please like the videos. There's more coming up soon. But this is the third video in my How to Draw Body Parts series. And today I'm going to be learning to draw the mouth and lips in certain poses. So the first tutorial I did was by Gel Arts. And this was quite a simplified version of learning to draw the lips in different expressions, different shapes, some with the tongue out, some with some from a side view, and some with the teeth as well. So like I said, this one was a bit more basic than the following ones I did, and it had a lot of emphasis on shading in the top lip. And that brought the bottom lip more into highlight and made it look sort of bigger. The second tutorial I did was from Jazza. Again, like in the last video with the noses, this was a really good tutorial, and he broke the mouth down into different sections of the top lip, the top row of teeth, the tongue, the bottom row of teeth, and the bottom lip. We did different poses from different angles. Just learning how the shape changes of the lips and the mouth depending on the pose and the angle. And this was a really good tutorial as well, like I said in the last one. And this was again like a 10-year-old tutorial back when he was just starting out. And then the last tutorial I did was by Robert Marzullo, and I did one of his tutorials in a previous video. And I really like the way he brings structure to the body part that he's trying to draw, and it makes it a lot more simple to try and do. And with this tutorial, I started to really gain much more of an understanding and learning actually how to draw the different shapes. And then I brought in various poses into Procreate and decided to just trace over it, and like I've done in the previous videos, try and put my own style to it and find out where the shadows are and get that really into dark shading, and then also into other parts in terms of like lighter shading. Started using cross hatching and darker lines, and this was really good. So if you are liking the videos, please subscribe, please like. It really helps me build traction and know that you're liking these videos, and I can bring out more. And I'll see you in the next one.